We've got the last minute change where William Gomis gonna fight Yanis Gemuri. William Gomis scored two back-to-back victories over Jorno Aarons and Francis Marshall via razor-close decisions, and Yanis Gemuri, the Desert Warrior, 12-1-0, 5'9", out of Lyon, France, is another tough challenge, and at Brave CF he knocked out many people, and he defeated, for example, Vladislav Novitsky, Davide Bufalino. These were all good opponents, but so far this is the greatest challenge for him, the greatest challenge of his career. I don't think he can knock Gomis out, but I expect a tough war. I believe Gomis has fought higher level of competition, and I believe Gomis can hit tons of brutal shots to the head, so I have a feeling Gomis is gonna win this one. Yeah, fight starts round 3 is going to be my neutral pick. And side call gonna be William Gomis because of his experience. So yeah, I believe William Gomis is gonna get the job done.